Samsung is bringing some massive improvement in Galaxy A series next year. Hey, what's up guys? We are back again with some exciting news. The new 200 megapixel sensor official trailer was dropped yesterday. We also have some huge news regarding the Galaxy S21 FE. But first, a new Galaxy in 2022 is shaping up for beastier upgrade. Samsung's biggest strength is undoubtedly its Galaxy A series. It's constantly outclassed the Galaxy series in terms of global year-on-year sales, which is why Samsung wants to bring some of the most important changes to the Galaxy A lineup next year. This year, we have the IP67 water and dust resistance, including the optical image stabilization in both the Galaxy A32, A72 and A52 devices. But next year, things could go beastier mode because according to the latest news coming from South Korea, Samsung could be bringing for the first time a 108 megapixel sensor with an optical image stabilization into their Galaxy A series lineup. Both the A73 and A53 devices are expected to be coming with same 108 megapixel sensor inside. So guys, this will be a huge camera upgrade, probably the biggest camera upgrade ever for the Galaxy A series. We don't have any information on the sensor itself, whether it's the same sensor as the S21 Ultra or the sensor which we are seeing in the S20 Ultra, or maybe it could be an entirely new sensor. So guys, this is the upgrade in the A53 and A73 devices. What about the lower end Galaxy A series model? Well, according to the information coming from the Galaxy Club, Samsung could be bringing a brand new Galaxy A13 5G, which is reportedly have a 50 megapixel of a camera sensor. This phone is said to be Samsung's cheapest 5G phone of all time, and this new 50 megapixel sensor for this mid-range phone, which could be recently announced ISOCELL GN1 sensor. Apart from the camera upgrade, there are also going to be a serious upgrade in terms of the performance in GPU, particularly the AMD GPU Madness is going to be expected to be included in the A series lineup. The AMD GPU will provide a massive graphical jump to the Galaxy A series, something that we haven't seen on the previous model. Now beyond the A series, we have also the fan edition. That is the S21 FE. Most of the Galaxy fans are expecting the S21 FE and they are waiting for this phone. So according to the latest information coming from Max on Twitter, it seems like Samsung may have cut down the shipment of the S21 FE by a lot. We are talking just 10,000 units a month, which is definitely a number that is far less compared to what Samsung usually produces for its flagship smartphone. The launch of the Galaxy S21 FE will be happening in the month of October, which is kind of a late for Samsung for the S21 FE, but still they want to release this phone no matter what. But be aware, this phone will be released in limited numbers and it may run out of stock pretty soon. Now lastly, Samsung ISOCELL HP1, aka the world's first 200 megapixel smartphone camera sensor trailer is officially here. In the video, Samsung talks about the things that this sensor can do, and one of the things is the dual pixel binning mode. So in the daytime, the sensor will produce 1.2 micrometer pixel size images, and at the night time or the low light it will go for 2.5 micrometer pixel images size, which will result in some excellent detail. It can also produce videos at 8K at 30 frames per second. With all this new technology that is coming in the 200 megapixel of a sensor, Samsung will still not be using this sensor on its Galaxy S22 Ultra. So guys, that's all the news for today. I gotta say that Samsung is going big for this Galaxy A series next year. So guys, I am pretty much excited about the Galaxy A series for the next year. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion? With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.